Oliver here from the Hooked Camper YouTube channel, and today I'm checking out the clear blue fishing ponds of Mount Lorette. I'm catching rainbow trout and I'm cooking up a great campfire meal. Come check it out. We're here at Mount Lorette ponds and we're going to check if they've stocked it, and we're going to see if we can try our luck at catching some rainbow trout. Well, I did have this spinner setup rigged to my rod, but I just found this fly for a fly fishing kit on the floor here at the car park. So we're going to see if this little weight and this fly could suit my spinning rod. I've got the fly hooked up. I put like a figure 8 knot to set in this loop, and I've just clipped it onto the change out clip here. So we're going to see if this works. Mount Lorette Ponds is under ES1 regulations and allows you to take home 2 trout. Here we go, folks. Let's see if we can find any fish. The fly fishing fly is a bit of a bust. They were definitely interested and they were following it, but they moved out into the deeper water in the middle, and I just can't get it out there because it's so light. So I'm just going to put a spinner on and see what happens. Before we continue our attempt at trout fishing, let's go pick up my good luck charm. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Okay, we've got this little gold spinner on. We're going to see how we go. We've only got about 30 minutes to an hour of daylight left, as it's 9 PM. So let's hope we catch a fish. So the gold lure wasn't doing anything, so we're going to try this soft plastic and see if they have a go at it. Yeah. Okay, we're going to try out this spinner. They keep going for it, but I think it's just about finding the right one that they actually bite. I don't even know what kind of fish that is. There we go. Rainbow trout. The smallest one ever. Oh, I got one.
You got one?
Slightly bigger. Well, we've packed up fishing because we've got bigger fish to fry. right here. Well, part of one. We caught 2 fish. One was very slightly larger than the teeny tiny little one. But we do have some trout fillet that we're going to cook up and have a campfire here. Got a little fire that we're going to light up here. Oh yeah. Alrighty, we have a bell pepper, trout fillet, and some potato salad. Okay, there we go. That's better. Oh yeah, we did.
Nice.
So the bottom of the trout has a nice sear on it, nice and crispy. But we're just going to finish up the top on the pan. Good. Now we're just going to add some potato salad on the side here. Oh yeah, that looks good. One of these. It kind of makes them like sweeter. And for dessert, we have one of these. Oh yeah. So good. Well, we're all packed up and about to head home. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We put up a new video every weekend, so I'll see you next week.